Right, here we go then. Let's have a look at this one. 16x squared minus 8x minus 6. Everything's arranged in the correct positions, so we can simply circle the number of x squareds and put an A, circle the number of x's and put a B, and circle the constant and put a C. And notice the B is minus 8 lots of x, yeah? So you put a circle around that value there, the number of x's. Minus 6 for C. So be careful not to make a mistake here and omit the minus, say, and A is 16. So let's put them in then. Right, so A is 16, so let's put that down here and here. B is minus 8, so we've got a minus tag with it, so I'm going to put a little bracket around it. Yeah, and then B is minus, little bracket around it, 8, yeah. Now hopefully we can read that. And the last thing is C is minus 6. We've got minus 6 there. Okay, so let's just tidy that up then. We got minus 8 minus minus 8, yeah, which is plus 8, plus or minus the square root of something, all over. The bottom number is 2 times 1 times 6. 2 times 6 is 12. Now, this number here, we've got minus 8 bracket, that object squared, so that's minus times a minus is a plus, that's 64. And then we've got a minus times a minus here, which is a plus. So we're going to have 64 plus 4 times 16 times 6, yeah? So that's what we want to put on the calculator then. We'll put the 64 down, because we just said about that. Then it's a plus 4 times 16 times 6. 4 times 16 times 6. There we go. 64 is the 8 minus 8 squared, so we said that was 64. Minus times a minus, we said that was a plus, so we put that in there. 4 times 16 times 6. Yeah? Press equals 448. So the number in the square root then is 448. So the answer, x equals 8 plus root 448 over 12, or the other answer that we get is 8 minus root 448 over 12. So let's tap these in the calculator then. Both of them. So we've got 8 plus root 448. Let's have a go at that then. So it'll be 8 plus square root 448. That's the top number. Work out the decimal. That number on top is that then. Divide by 12. So divide it by 12 equals, let's get the decimal, 2.43. So this number here is 2.43. And then the next one, calculator, we need 8 minus. So clear the screen. It'll be 8 minus square root of 448 equals, that's the number on top, get the decimal, divide that by 12 equals, get the decimal again, minus 1.09, oh that's awkward, 2dp, the 7 would make the 9 round up from a 9 to the one next up is 10, you'd have to go to a 10 wouldn't it? So it's minus 1.10. So let's just check one of these roots to check it's correct then, shall we? Let's check the second one. Oh, oops. Let's check the second one. Right. Let's just check that. So we got minus 1.10. Alright. So it's 16 times x squared. So it'd be 16 times bracket. Let's do the 2.43 because it's positive. And then we can forget about that awkward bracket. 2.43 minus 8 times the x, which is 2.43. I'm going to come back to that mistake in a minute. And then minus 6. There is a mistake on that line, isn't there? Okay, we've entered that in the calculator, right? Let's just check we've entered it correctly. It's 16 times x squared. So I need to come back along this line. So let's toggle back. And that should be a squared, shouldn't it? And now minus 8 times x, yeah? That's fine. And then minus 6. That should be fine now. So there's the answer. SD 69 point. What's wrong there then? Because it should be 0, shouldn't it? 16 times 2.43 squared minus 8 times 2.43 minus 6. And that's wrong. Equals. Yeah, it's not 0. So it's a mistake. So what's wrong? Minus b over. Oh, hang on. 2 times 16. So that's not a 12 at all, is it? So that's not a 12. So let's just change that. So good error correction, isn't it, to check one of the roots. This is now 2 16s to 32. So the 32 goes in here. 32 and 32. So let's just make our change. So it's 8 plus root 448. Yeah? Right. Okay, so it's going to be 8 plus root 448. 8 plus square root of 448 equals, that's the number on top, get the decimal of it, divided by 32. 32 equals, we get that, 0.91. Yeah? 0.91. Okay, and the next one, it's going to be 8 minus root 448. That's the top number. Get the decimal, divide by 32. Equals, get the decimal, minus 0.41. Yeah? 0.41. So let's just check this 0.91 then in here. Final check then, to check, hopefully we've got it right this time. So 16 times 0.91 squared. Yeah? Minus 8 times 0.91. And then minus a 6 equals. Decimal 0.03. Yeah, that's fairly accurate. Within 2dp. That's a fairly small number. So it looks like this is the correct answer, doesn't it? So it looks like we're okay here now. Okay, good. That's 5 done. Let's go on to the next one. Great.